How to enable dark mode on email. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you on email and wondering how to enable dark mode? Then in this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest step. First of all, launch open email application on your Android or your iOS device. You can open it up on a smartphone or a tablet or even iPad. Once you open up the email application, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From the main menu that appears on the screen, go to the upper right corner and you'll see a half moon kind of an icon. Tap on that and you have enabled dark mode on email application. The app will instantly switch to dark mode and that's it. Now you can enjoy a cleaner and more eye-friendly chatting experience, especially at night. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.